Hello and welcome to another episode of Elephant English Podcast. Today we're going to be reading about Sarah's life story and we're going to learn how to introduce yourself in English. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm a 21-year-old student. I'm studying medicine at university. I live in Manchester, a big city in England. I live with my family because I don't work. Medicine is difficult, so I need a lot of time to study. Manchester is famous in the world for its football clubs, but I don't like football. I prefer swimming. My other hobbies are listening to music and dancing. My favorite singer is Beyoncé because she sings and dances very well. I study 3 hours every day. I like to study because medicine is very interesting. I want to be a doctor in the future. My family helps me to study because my mother is a doctor and my father is a nurse. They work in a hospital in Manchester. My sister is 14 years old. I am older than her, so she is my younger sister. I love my sister so much. My sister loves animals. She wants to be a vet. Her favorite animal is a horse. They are beautiful. My family has a pet. We have a dog. My dog's name is Patch. He is black and white. Patch is 5 years old. He loves to eat his food and to play with his football. He also likes to sleep a lot. My favorite day of the week is Friday because I go out with my friends. We meet at 7 o'clock. On Fridays, I like to go shopping with my friends. I like to buy new clothes and perfumes. After we go shopping, we usually go to a cafe. We have a coffee and we have a conversation. It's great. My favorite season is spring because I love flowers. My favorite month of the year is March because my birthday is on the 12th of March. I hope you enjoyed listening to this video. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. In the description box, you will find some activities to practice the vocabulary that we have done in this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.